welcome back to my channel. My name's Nicole Spence. Alright, today we're doing something really cool. I got Cat and Pete over here, and we are out here doing a little bit of inshore fishing. We're gonna target really all different species, of course, to go for some redfish, possibly trout, but we really want to go for some redfish and triple tail. Haven't caught triple tail in a really long time, and they're starting to show up a little bit, so we're gonna give it a whackaroo. We're actually out here just now casting a little bit, and got my Bubba net and Bubba rods. I don't know if you guys have seen those yet. I know they were in some of my other videos. If you guys just look up bubba.com, take a look. We got all kinds of fillet knives, we got nets, gas, now we got fishing rods. So, all right, well, we'll catch them up and I'll keep you tuned. There he goes. It takes a minute. Hey, we got something. See what it is. Oh, a little mangrove. I don't know if he's quite big enough. That, guys. What you think? Not sure? Okay. Oh, shit, sorry. Alright, just caught a mangrove. We're measuring them out. They gotta be 12 inches.
12 and a quarter.
Perfect. Caper! We're not going home with clean ice, guys. There's a little bit of variety here. Can y'all name all these fish? Comment below. What's that? And that, and that, and that, and that. Let's see, let's see. Hooked up, guys. Woo. And what is that called? Queen fish or something? Queen? Not what we're looking for, guys. We're looking for triple tail. So, stay tuned. See if we get one. Alright, we're gonna see if this mangrove is big enough.
12 inches?
12 inches?
He made 13.
Woo! He's bigger than the other one, you guys! Look at that! Man! I must be the mangrove whisperer. Or wait, you caught one too. You caught one, and then I caught like two, maybe? Yeah. Something of that nature. It's hard to keep up with all this, guys. I'm multitasking. I'm playing the camera lady and catching fish, and at least he's helping me bait my hook. Doing it all. We got it. Dream team.
No production crew out here today.
Nope, no production crew. Alright, we're testing out the new Bubba rod.
Hey, I got to tell you about this. You've probably seen them. You've been in the hunting world a while. I bought myself a birthday, Father's Day, Christmas, everything. I bought myself a badass pair of binoculars.
Oh
The
yeah?
other day. Some laser rangefinder binoculars.
Okay.
Where it's all in one. You don't have to have binoculars and then put them down, grab a rangefinder and all that shit. It's all in one. You press the button and
I bet those are a little pricey.
Yeah, $3,500.
Woo!
But they're cool. You range it, and then after it gives you the range, it gives you your correction, because I can plug in ballistic data to the thing. So if I range something at 685 yards, it tells me 685, and then it gives me my correction. So it'll tell me like 7.8. Well, that's what I dial my scope to, and I'm dead on at 685 yards. So
Yeah.
I just got them, still playing with them, but I've already plugged in a couple rifles to them. Now it's time to just go shoot. And
That's cool.
see. Yeah, they were.
That's exciting. But woo, they pricey.
$3,500.
I don't think I've heard of them, surprisingly. I mean, I do hunt, and I just don't do a lot of hunting.